Hello, in front of me I've got SCUF Valor Pro. In this video I'll show you where is the audio jack. If you want to play via headphones on your console or PC, you can simply connect headphones to the controller, thanks to which you've got access not only to speakers in your headphones, but also you can connect microphone. In order to do it, take a look at the bottom of the controller. Here we've got the 3.5mm headphones jack. Connect your headphones to the controller and switch audio source to controller on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.